Oh, how this warms Santa's heart. Letters from every corner of the world.
Dear Santa, we hope you're doing well up there in Finland. It would make us so happy if you could visit Japan this year.
The UK and South Korea were already on my list, and now Japan too. The world is calling again. This little passport has seen quite a bit of the world. Warm toes, happy Santa. All right, it is time. Santa's official airline will take it from here. Hello, my friend.
Santa, long time no see. Let's see what you've got today.
Well, would you believe it? Santa is heading all the way to Japan. So I was wondering if you could help me with this.
This might have to go as cargo beforehand. All set, Santa. Your 3 is flying ahead and waiting for you in Tokyo.
And thank you, my friend. And now I have to head to Operational Control Center and see if my route's already planned. Hello. Good to see you, my friends. You ready for my next adventure?
Hello, Santa.
Hey.
Absolutely. We have planned your route from Finland all the way to Japan. And guess what? The skies should be clear tonight, so you might even catch the northern lights.
Northern Lights. Now that's what I call flight entertainment. Hello, Yumiko, my friend.
Hello, Santa.
I seem to have a rather special package.
Not a problem at all, Santa. All good.
Okay.
Here's your boarding pass,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Close. And don't forget to stop by our lounge for a relaxed start to your journey.
Sounds lovely. Santa is ready for takeoff.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Hello, Karen, my friend.
Hello, Santa.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. And welcome to the Finnair Lounge.
Every good journey begins with a glass of blueberry juice. And a peaceful moment in the sauna, of course. Now that's how you prepare for a long flight.
Hey Santa, we've been expecting you.
And I've been looking forward to see you all and to be on this flight.
Welcome aboard, Santa.
Thank you. Here we go again. The most magical time of the year continues. World, here I come.